गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ मेरा नायका हॉल। ड्यूरिंग द सेल मैंने काफ़ी नए प्रोडक्ट्स का ऑर्डर प्लेस किया था एंड आई फाइनली हैव इट विथ मी। सो आई थॉट टू अनबॉक्स इट विथ यू ऑल गाइस। सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज कीप ऑन वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। और अगर आप न्यू हो मेरे चैनल पे देन हाय, माय नेम इज स्क्वाइश, आई एम अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट। I make makeup related content videos for you guys. So if you are interested, please hit the subscribe button below. And also don't forget to click the bell icon below so that when I upload a video, you are notified. And now let's start with the video. We have literally one, two, three, four. We have four boxes to unbox. So let's open this parcel number one. Let's open box number one. It's huge. We have lots of products. We have the Nika nail pen. It's in the shade lilac. I love Nika nail pens. They are so good. And I love the shade range. Pastel colors काफी अच्छे हैं and दिखकर आते हैं. I love the shade on my skin tone. So yeah. The next product we have is a freebie from Laneige. I've gotten their bouncy and firm sleeping mask. इसका छोटू सा travel size. We have got the sleeping mask. Next we have, yeah, I can. Yeah, this one is. I'm very excited. This is the Swiss Beauty Craze. It's extra duo kajal. It's in the shade 05 Dynasty, and I'm very excited because ये dual kajal pencil है. And look at this. So इसका एक side पे you will get the green version, and दूसरे side पे you will get the brown version. Let's unbox it and see the pigment. The packaging, it's super cute, elegant. And this side we have the brown cool pencil. Ooh, it's so pigmented and it glided like butter. Look at this. And we have the green one. Let's try out that. I love it. It's more on a darker brown coal pencils. I've not used any dark brown coal pencils on me, so I don't know, but I feel this will look good for line paint. Let's check out the green one. Oh my god. It's so good. It has this little shiny texture. I love it. It will look good with all the festive looks, I feel, and such a good shade. I'm happy with the purchase, and they also have a good shade range. मैंने specifically green and brown try करने के लिए मंगाया, but now I'm looking forward to try out the pink and the purple. क्या सही eye looks बनेंगे उससे. Super pigmented, and I'm happy with this purchase. Next we have is my absolute favorite Nykaa matte to last lipstick in the shade Madras Coffee. Have made a different packaging, looks so luxe. This is one of my favorite shades. This is my restock. I have already lost one. Let's watch it. It's a very good shade. It's your everyday nude lipstick. And if you are a college going girl and if you are looking for a good everyday affordable lipstick, you should definitely try out this one. It suits every skin tone. Definitely check out this one. Next, what we have? We have Laneige lip balm. This is that one viral lip balm because of the applicator. It got viral. It has this donut type applicator. So I really wanted to try out because I'm just a girl. So this one I got in the variant Berry Fruit Rouge. And oh, it didn't came with the donut applicator. We need to check out what I've ordered because I thought I'm ordering that donut one and I was excited to see that. It smells so fruity. It has a very strong fruity scent. And it's exactly the same like I have. It's the same formula of that top one. I guess I made a mistake or it's the Nika's mistake. I really need to check out. But let's move on to next product. This is the Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen from Wish Care. So this has SPF 50 PF4 plus. I am so excited to use this sunscreen. I have been seeing so many influencers talking about this particular sunscreen, and I really want to see what's the hype is all about. Looking at the packaging, it looks so good. It's very sleek. Easily आपके travel pouches में भी आ सकता है. Let's check the consistency. I need to check it on my palms. Oh, it's very watery type consistency की. And yeah, it gets absorbed very quickly. You can see hardly few seconds में absorbed हो गया है. But I'm very excited because I've heard all the good things about this particular one. If you're an oily skin type, I've heard it's a very good sunscreen for your skin because it helps balancing oil and it also protects at the same time. And this also has ceramides, which are good ingredients for your skincare. So I can't wait to try out this product for myself. Next product that we have is the M Caffeine Body Scrub. Now, this is one of my favorite body scrub. This has coffee, which actually exfoliates your skin and makes tan free. This is my fourth or fifth one. I am truly obsessed with this. I love the smell. I love this product and I will 100% recommend this. अगर आप body care में हो and if you really want to try out a good scrub, go for this. And also caffeine helps to reduce tan and also makes your skin so softer. I love it. You should definitely try out this one. नेक्स्ट अगेन वी हैव अ हेयर मास्क. अगर आपको पता है रेनी सीजन में आपके हेयर इतने ड्राई और फ्रीजी हो जाते हैं, मेरे भी बाल बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रीजी हो जाते हैं एंड फॉर दैट आई रियली वांटेड टू ट्राई आउट सम गुड मास्क फॉर माय हेयर दैट कैन एक्चुअली रिमूव दैट फ्रीजीनेस और ड्राइनेस जो है. सो आई गॉट दिस Dove का hair repair treatment mask. I am so excited to use this. I've heard a lot of influencers talking about this particular product. I love Dove ka smell. I have been using the shampoos and conditioner and I love the smell. And this also smells exactly like that. It has this conditioner like texture. आप conditioners कैसे use करते हो वैसा ही same texture है. I'm very excited to use this. So let's open dabba number 2. We have more products in this. We have again one more product from the Wishcare. It's their hair growth serum concentrate. I have heard so many influencers telling their real time stories about this product. As I told, my hair situation is like worst nowadays, and I'm looking forward to buy more hair care products. So clearly, I got it for myself. This is the hair growth concentrate serum. I love the packaging, super cute, and I can't wait to try out this product. Claims that it reduces hair fall and boost hair growth. Product we have is finally I got myself the Prosh Beauty eyeshadow palette. दिस इज द शो स्टॉपर पैलेट. कितने टाइम से ये विश लिस्ट में पड़ा हुआ है मेरे एंड आई वाज सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग बट बस ऐसे ही लू नहीं लू एंड फाइनली ड्यूरिंग द सेल आई वाज लाइक चलो अब ले ही लेते. इट इज आई एम गेटिंग अ गुड प्राइस डील सो नाउ आई हैव टू टेक इट. सो दिस इज द शो स्टॉपर एंड आई स्वेयर यू आर नॉट रेडी फॉर द शेड्स. लाइक लुक at this, such a pretty shades it has. I love it. And look at this. I mean, so pretty. I don't know why camera is not doing the justice, but in person they are so good. Let me swatch the shimmers. The pigment. Let me show you all. Are you all ready? Look at that. Oh my god, I love it. It's very similar to Huda Beauty's palette, and Huda Beauty ke palettes I know they're very expensive. They cost you around 5-6 thousand, and this one palette is a good dupe. I will not say a dupe, but a good alternative. अगर आपका इतना budget नहीं है, but you are ready to spend 2-3 thousand rupees for an eyeshadow palette, this one you need to have. I am so excited to try out new looks from this particular one. It has all the shades. It has orange, pink, purple, browns. It has glitters. It has holographic glitters as well. I mean, it's all in one palette. While I was getting this eyeshadow palette, they also gave me a free lipstick. This is also from the Prosh Beauty. I have used this formula in the past. I've used the shade High Tea and I love it. It's so beautiful, nude color and suits Indian skin tone so beautifully. This is in the shade Happy Hour. This is also one of the best seller shades I feel मैंने जहाँ तक पढ़ा है. Let's watch this shade. Ooh, it's so bright. I mean, it's so good. It's more on the pink tone side, which I don't use it on a regular basis. I like nudes, but on specific outfits, I feel this will look so good. I especially love the formula of this lipstick. They stays and are intact throughout the event. I love it that you don't need to reapply these lipsticks and look at the packaging. So beautiful. If you see the mess around me, और अगर मेरी मम्मी ने देख लिया, मुझे अभी घर के बाहर भेज देगी, बोलेगा निकलो. Have the viral Tipsy Beauty Coca Peptide lipstick. Look at the packaging. It's so good, so Pinteresty. I love it. मैंने इसे packaging के लिए लिया है, to be honest. Wow. Look at this packaging. I mean, wow. Of course, without doubt, I have picked a new shade for me. This is in the shade medium brownie. There is written Tipsy Beauty and they have logo over here. The packaging is so stunning and let's watch it and see. Oh, I like it. I mean, I feel so happy when I buy shades online without seeing them. And जब ऐसे shades होते हैं ना, I love how pigmented this is. I doubt this is transfer proof. I don't think so. But we need to check it. So if you want an detailed review, you need to follow me on my Instagram. Clearly, I will be sharing some of my reviews over there. But I love the shade. It's good. I feel this will suit a lot of Indian skin tones. Product we have a restock of K Beauty Brow Kohl Pencil. अगर आपको नहीं पता है, I love this pencil. अगर आपने मेरा रिकमेंडेशन वीडियो नहीं देखा है, मैंने पहले ही इसके पहले जो वीडियो डाला है वो नायका का रिकमेंडेशन वीडियो था, सो यू कैन गो एंड चेक आउट अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड मैनी मोर. मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें तो मैंने रीस्टॉक की है ड्यूरिंग द सेल, so you can definitely check out that video for the review. We have the next product is from the pack. So I have heard a lot of good things about Pekka Kohl pencils and I really wanted to try out, but they are so expensive. I mean, a Kohl pencil for rupees 500-600, I don't think so. Itna worth है देना. But this I got it in a discounted price, like 300 or 400, I guess. So I was like, चलो एक बार test out कर लेते हैं. Let's watch it. Oh, this is also very pigmented. It's a very good color and it's in the shade navy blue. I love it. It's pigmented. It's so beautiful. The color will also suit brown skin tone so beautifully. It comes with this smudging applicator. You can also create some beautiful smoky eye effect with this colorful kohl pencils. Finally, we come towards the end of this video. This is the last box we are unboxing. I mean, काफी चीजें मैंने order कर ली है. Now if I see बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने पैसे खर्च लिए हैं, so it's time that I should stop shopping. Giving you 1 minute, guess the product, what is inside this, because I will give you one hint. This is one of the best luxury product. It's all makeup artists' favorite product. It's a base product. So ये 3 hint से tell me which product will be this. This is one of those expensive products I've ever got in my luxury category. Like for base, I feel foundations I have got it, but NARS के होगा. But for this category, this particular category, I feel इससे expensive तो मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लिया है. So drum rolls, please, because we have something from Charlotte Tilbury. This is my very first own Charlotte Tilbury product, and I'm so happy to show it to you all, guys. This time, I was like, kuch lu ya na lu, I am taking this product because it was around 25% off, and which I think was a great deal. I've not seen itna price drop in Charlotte Tilbury section mein. Look at this. We finally have the beauty in the house. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Compact Powder. How sleek is the packaging. I love the packaging. I love the aesthetic of this product. It's famous for good reason. It has that formula. It has that consistency. It really makes your makeup airbrush finish. This particular one will be very close to my heart. I mean, of course, with that, we come towards the end of this video. बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा हो गया इन नायका हॉल में. I almost spend around 10,000, I feel. But I am happy with all the products I have got and I am so grateful. And thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for showing so much love on my Instagram, on my YouTube channel. I am so grateful for each and everybody who is supporting me. And I wish to make more such videos in future and wish to have more luxury products in my vanity. Do let me know what products you have got from the Nykaa Pink Hot sale. I'm very interested to know and read your comments. And yeah, with that, we come to towards the end of this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Please hit that like button and drop a comment down below which was your favorite part from this particular video. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.